You could save thousands of dollars with these 6 summer passes. Stick around to find out which one could save you over $11,000. I'm Gary.
And I'm Alyssa.
And you're watching the Food Pass channel.
With summer quickly approaching, several entertainment venues have announced summer passes to help save you money. There may be other summer passes than the 6 we'll talk about, but those passes do not include any food discounts, so they're not worthy of us to discuss here.
First up is Dave & Buster's. Dave & Buster's has 3 levels of their summer season pass, ranging from $69.99 for the silver, $99.99 for gold, and all the way up to $149.99 for their platinum pass. All 3 passes provide the pass holder with unlimited gameplay and a discount on food. The main differences we see between the passes is when you can use them. Although they're all valid through September 1st, the Silver Pass has the most blackout dates and cannot be used on the weekends or on holidays. The Gold Pass can't be used on holidays, and the Platinum Pass can be used every day. Additionally, you can only earn up to 2,000 or 1,000 tickets per week with the Platinum or Gold Passes respectively. Dave & Buster's values the Platinum Pass at over $800. With 100 usable days of the pass, they value unlimited games at about $8 per day. We're not quite sure where they get this price from, as the lowest price we can find for unlimited games is closer to $20, which would get the potential value of the Platinum Pass to just over $2,000 before factoring in any food discounts. More on that later.
Next up, we have the Bowlero Summer Season Pass. They offer 2 levels of pass, basic and premium, although the basic pass does not include discounts on food, so we will no longer talk about that one. That's off limits. The premium pass provides the pass holder with 2 games of bowling, along with free shoe rentals, $5 credit for the arcade, and a discount on food and drinks every day. And they just announced that pass holders can get a free lemonade every day between June 9th through the 15th. Well, yeehaw on that. The pass can be used at any Bowlero location or any of their sister stores like AMF and Lucky Strike. I mostly grew up with High Life, but this guy and I have been to AMF before. From our research, prices for the premium pass can range from $54.89 to $79.98 depending on the location you purchase from. So with that in mind, if you happen to be traveling to an area where they cost less, that may be a good opportunity to save even more money. Although we wouldn't recommend traveling just for purchasing a pass. I like traveling. Like the Dave & Buster's pass, the one is also valid through September 1st, giving it a potential value of over $2,000, $2,700 if you go every day.
Next, we have a pass that's great for families. Peter Piper Pizza has 3 levels of passes: fun, big fun, and mega fun, ranging in prices from $29.99 all the way up to $99.99. The main difference we see being how many fun credits you get and the size of the food discount. Each of the passes provide a daily allowance of fun credit, either 40, 110, or 250, respectively, discounts on food and drink, and random surprise gifts throughout the summer. The fun credits can be shared between up to 4 different cards, so the entire family can play games. There's no limit on the amount of tickets that can be earned from playing the games either. The passes are valid for 8 weeks from the time of purchase, giving the Mega Fun Pass a value also of $2,700 if you go every day.
Next, we have Main Event. Main Event offers 2 different passes, Basic and Premium. They both provide discounts on food, but there are quite a few differences between the two. The Basic Pass provides the pass holder with unlimited bowling during the weekdays, while the Premium Pass is valid every day and provides unlimited activities including bowling, gravity ropes, whatever the heck that is, and mini golf. Additionally, the Basic Pass is only redeemable at the location of purchase, whereas the Premium Pass can be used at all participating locations, with the prices being pretty close at $49.99 for Basic and $69.99 for Premium. The Premium Pass appears to be a much better deal, unless you only like bowling, which, like, really? The passes are valid until September 1st, giving the Premium Pass a value of $3,000 if you go every day.
Next, we have another pass good for families. Chuck E. Cheese is offering 3 levels of passes: bronze, silver, and gold, ranging in prices from $54.99 all the way up to $139.99. The passes are structured very similar to Peter Piper, where the main differences are in the amount of fun credits and food discounts you get. The bronze and gold passes offer the same amount of fun credits as the same passes over at Peter Piper. However, the silver pass provides 10 less credits at only 100 fun credits. The credits can be split between 6 people, so the entire family can join in on the fun. And also, like Peter Piper, there's no limit on the amount of tickets you can earn. The pass is valid for 2 calendar months from the time of purchase, giving the Gold Pass a value of $5,600 if you go every day.
Finally, we have Topgolf with their Summer Fun Pass. We went on a date there.
It's fun.
Yeah. The pass provides the pass holder with 2 hours of gameplay every day through September 1st. Although there are some limitations to what time it can be used. The pass can only be used before 5 on the weekdays and before noon on the weekends, which can make it impractical if you have a day job. On the plus side, the benefits of the pass can be shared with up to 5 extra people. This is the most expensive pass at $250. However, if you go every day, it has a value of over $11,000 before factoring in food discounts, which we will address now.
So now, for the most important part, being the Food Pass channel, which pass provides the best value for food? We wanted to compare the cost of food across all 6 stores as accurately as we could, which at first glance was going to be tricky, with 6 seemingly different menus. But with a bit more digging through the menus, we found that they all serve pizza, wings, and soda. So we calculate the average cost of this meal at each store, along with the discounted price from the passes. These are the food and drink discounts that each pass provides. The Peter Piper Pizza Mega Fun Pass and the Chuck E. Cheese Gold Fun Pass are at the top, each with a 50% discount on food. Once we factor in the price of this meal between the two, Peter Piper Pizza comes out ahead, with the average pizza, wings, and soda meal coming out to about $15.93. And here's how the rest of them compare. We're filming this late at night if you can't tell.
Overall, which pass is best for you depends on what you're looking for. If you're looking for something more family oriented, would say the Peter Piper Pizza Mega Fun Pass is the way to go, both in entertainment value and especially in food value. If you want variety in activities, then the Main Event Premium Pass is a great choice. And if you like golf or want pure financial value, then Topgolf is hands down the best option. Us, on the other hand, will likely go for the Dave & Buster's Silver Pass for the unlimited games at the lowest price point. Let us know which one you would pick in the comments. Okay,
Bye.
bye.